Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Cielo knot. That's the Italian word for sky. So let's go and get started. We got one tie today. We're going to put it at the left side at the belt line as usual. We're going to come in. I'm going to put in a dimple here. Dimple doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want in there. We're going to go ahead and put skin in around the top there. Bring it around like this. And we're going to do come around like that, and we're going to do a kind of like start like a cylinder, go around twice like that. We're going to come down and through like this. We're going to come through here, and I'm just going to put my thumb here, bring it through like this. And then leave it, and then come across like this. Like that. I want to come down through this. Then I'm going to do this right here. I'm just going to fold it back like that, use a Boris Mocha technique, and then I'm going to find this. I'm going to put my finger here so you can still see that, and then I'm just going to tighten it up back there so this stays up here. And you can see some of that there. Let me put my collar down. There you go. So you just kind of adjust it. You got these different layers there. I want this to be somewhat seen, but this tie is Is there a loop I can use? I'm trying to secure it. Oh, let me come through this. So just find the loop back here. I think it's gonna be this one. There'll be a loop back there, and just put it through that. If you don't have enough tie, which I don't. There we go. That's much better. Now if you did have enough tie, you could do that. That's just securing it however you want to secure it. Let me put this collar down. There you go. I mean, I guess that could have been a part of the knot, but I didn't have enough for it to, it would have kept poking out. So again, to see the picture of this knot, you can follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials, so you can see the picture. Again, there's the Cielo. On your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.